Hello and welcome guys. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can earn money from your photos or your graphic design works. I think you hear about Shutterstock. Shutterstock is an image library and also they have videos. If you download those images or videos, you need to pay the monthly fees. So like that, there's a contributor site, so you can sell your photos and your videos, so you can earn better money from your images or videos. So if you want to create an account as a contributor, you can click the link in the description. So I will paste my URL and go to the website. You can see this is the Shutterstock contributor website. So just click a get started button. You will go to register page. So you can fill with your details and click next, and after that you can get your account and verify your email. Then you can upload your images or videos. There is some rules and regulation for every videos or every images, so you need to obey about that one also. So don't give up. Upload many much images every day, every single day, so you can earn much better money the next year or after 2 years. You will get a better money. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.